does it go? Where does it stop? What's inside of the lollipop? Stop! It's the Y-bird stop.
Royce, I thought we were going to a museum today, not the seaside or the docks.
We are going to a museum, why? A museum by the docks. Look. Here we are.
Techniquest.
Yes, it's a science museum. You coming?
I wonder if they do dinosaur bones. Look at that ball. Can you see it? There's nothing holding it up. Goodness gracious me, this is very, very interesting. Oh, look at this. Oh, strings, no wires. Royce! Royce?
Yes, what is it, why?
What's this?
Oh, the Bernoulli blower.
The Bernoulli blower?
Yeah. You feel this?
Oh, I'm being blown about. It's very drafty round here.
Well, that stream of air's holding the ball up, you see?
Oh, how very, very intriguing.
Well, there's loads of intriguing and interesting things to do here. Go on, have a look.
Oh, all right then. Come on, come with me.
Poke your nose in here, stick your beak in there. If you're out and about, have a look at this, take a peek at that. When you're out and about, pop a question or two in the park or the zoo. Who, why, where, how, what does this do? Time and time again, you'll find the answer when you're with the Y-bird out and about. Pardon me for being so nosy. What's behind that door? How did those get inside these? And what on earth's that for? Why is that one bigger than this one? Who's that? Oh, hello. What's she up to? Where's he off to? Very soon we'll know. Poke your nose in here. Stick your beak in there. If you're out and about, have a look at this. Take a peek at that. Come with the Y-bird out and about. With the Y-bird out and about. Out and about. Out and about.
Yes!
Oh, Royce, now that looks interesting. How does it work?
Oh, well, why, you see, these strings I'm holding here, they're attached to those strings up there, which is attached to that what's-it thing, and I'm bringing those things over to my side, and it's quite simple, really.
Well, that was a very technological explanation, Royce. Thank
Well, if
you.
that's what you're looking for, why not consult the experts?
Hello? Anybody there?
I don't think there is, you know. What's your name?
Larry.
Larry. Oh, are you an expert on the echo tube?
Yes.
Oh, right. Well, what do I have to do then?
You stick your head in and it makes your voice sound different.
Oh, does it? Oh, do I have to say something as well?
Yes.
Oh, good. Right.
Hello? Anybody there?
Oh, it does, doesn't it? Well, thank you very much for your sound advice. Bye.
Oh, look, a spinning chair. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh. Hello. Can I stop you for just a minute?
Yeah.
What are your names?
Joey.
Jodie and...
Charming.
Professors Jodie and Charmaine. Well, you look like experts on this spinning chair. Will you show me how it works?
Yeah.
Right, what do I do?
Well, you sit on the chair.
Right.
Then
Excuse me?
Sit on the chair.
Thank you. Sit on the chair.
You spin you around. You put
Yeah.
your legs out. And then when you want to go fast, you put your legs up to your chest.
Sounds easy enough. OK, then, give us a spin. Oh, legs up. Oh. Oh, look, if I stick my legs out, I go slow, up to my chest, fast.
What about this knob?
Are you having trouble opening this?
Yes, I am, actually.
I can help you. I'm an expert at this.
Ooh, and what's your name, then?
Keely.
Ha, come on, then, Keely. Find the key.
This is the key to open the treasure chest.
Well, yes, I've been using it.
No, this is the key to open the treasure chest, see?
Oh, how did you do that?
It's a magnet.
Oh, look in there. Well, I'll have half a dozen emeralds and 6 diamonds, please. Excuse me, young man, but would you consider yourself an expert on the toe touch test?
Yes.
Oh, you would? And you are Professor...
Ben.
Professor Ben. All right, Professor, would you explain to me how it works?
Well, you've got to stand on the tiles here with your heels touching the wall and bend over and touch your toes.
Well, go on, then. Well, you didn't do it.
That's because you can't do it.
You can't do it. Oh, that sounds like a test for Royce. Go on, give him a shout.
Royce,
Yes. Hello.
We've got a test for you.
have gone the toe touch test. You've got to bend over and touch your toes.
It's easy.
Go on, then. Oh, clever clogs.
That's because your bottom always sticks out when you bend over. Try it on the red one. You won't fall over them.
Do you promise?
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
You did it!
I did it.
Oh, brilliant. Well, thank you very much for your expertise, Professor.
Thank
Go
you.
see what else I can find. Now, I wonder what's in here. This could be interesting. Hello! Oh, I think there's a cat in here. It looks like Poppy. Have a look. Oh, I can't keep up. Oh, she's going round and round.
I feel
Are you
dizzy.
all right in there, Poppy?
No, I feel dizzy. Ew. Wee.
She's gone. I wonder where she is. Poppy, are you all right? Would you like me to call the nurse?
No.
No?
I was only joking. Why? Wasn't
you.
really me in there. It was just my reflection in a flipping image machine. And why?
Oh, what?
Why?
What?
There's something else we can do over there. Together.
Together? Well, what are we waiting for? Come on!
Oh, what a beautiful dressing table. Not quite. You just watch.
Oh, I've turned into a cat.
No, you haven't. No, it's me.
Oh, hello, Poppy.
No. It's a special sort of mirror, you see. Yes, sometimes you can look through it like a window.
Oh,
and
yes.
other times you can see your reflection in it.
Oh, yes. I
Yes.
must get my feathers preened.
Yeah.
Oh, should we have a play?
Oh, yes, go on then.
Right, OK. Now you see me.
Now you don't. No, you've got ears. Look, big ears. Big orange ones.
And you've got beautiful feathers.
Oh, I have. Oh.
Oh, yes. Yes.
Don't
Don't I look smart?
Very smart. Now, my turn.
Oh. Don't I look lovely? Oh, it's both of us again.
You've got a beak.
I know. I'm feeling a bit mixed up.
I feel a bit muxed up.
Oh. Oh, look. Why cats?
Oh, yes. And pop why.
Oh, that's good.
I've got to go now. See you. Bye.
Where's Poppy? Huh, she must have popped off. Now, where's Royce? Can you see him?
This is the life. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Royce! Royce! Oh, Royce, there you are.
Hello, why?
What are you doing? I thought only birds could fly.
No, I'm messing about on the flying mirror.
Flying mirror? Oh, has it got wings?
No, it's my reflection. You see?
Oh, that's very clever. I wonder who invented all this scientific stuff.
Oh, I know who. Follow me. It's that way.
Which way?
It's that way.
Oh.
It's that way.
Which way, Royce?
This way, why?
Oh, look. Techniquest. Must be a secret doorway.
Hello?
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 Hello? Oh, Royce, this place seems deserted.
It's very quiet.
Hello, Royce.
Harry! It's Harry.
Oh, are you the man who's invented all these things?
Well, most of them. But I got a lot of people to help me.
Right. Well, what are you doing at the moment, then?
Well, I'm trying to fix this switch on this exhibit.
Oh, what's it supposed to do, then?
Well, there's a big fan in this green box. Blows air up this curly tube,
Oh, a curly tube.
through the big glass tube,
Big glass tube.
and then out of the thin green tube.
Thin green tube.
And blows the string round and round in this big loop. So you
Oh,
can fire it all over the place, wherever you like.
how very exciting.
Hey, what do you call it?
String ray.
String ray.
How long will it take you to fix?
It'll take a while to get this fixed.
Well, I'll tell you what. While we're waiting, why don't I tell you a story?
Oh, now that is a good idea, Royce. Right, Harry, get on with your work and we'll go and read a story. Come on, Royce.
See you, White.
This story is about another man who was interested in science. It's called Mr. Archimedes' Bath. Mr. Archimedes' bath always overflowed. And Mr. Archimedes always had to clean up the mess. Can anyone tell me where all this water came from? Mr. Archimedes decided to find out. He put just a little water in the bath, as he always did, and this time he measured the depth. But the water rose. Where did all this water come from? Bellowed Mr. Archimedes. I don't know, said Kangaroo. It's not my fault, said Goat. I didn't do it, said Wombat. But when Mr. Archimedes measured it again, he found the water had gone down. Mr. Archimedes was puzzled. Somebody must be doing this, he shouted. Where's it gone? Maybe it is you, Kangaroo. You stay out, and we shall see if it happens again. The water rose. When Mr. Archimedes measured it, he found it had gone down again. Now, let's see what happens when you are left out, Goat. Again the water rose. That left only Wombat to blame. Mr. Archimedes was angry. Get out and stay out, he shouted. But the same thing happened. Who could be responsible if it wasn't Kangaroo, and it wasn't Goat, and it wasn't Wombat? Could it be Mr. Archimedes. The friends decided he should have the bath all to himself. He climbed in, and the water rose. He climbed out, and the water fell until there was just the same amount Mr. Archimedes had put in. Mr. Archimedes got so excited that he jumped in and out to make the water go up and down. Eureka! I found it! I found it! He shouted. Jump in, everyone! And the bath overflowed. See, said Mr. Archimedes, we make the water go up. There are just too many of us in the bath, that's all. The friends had so much fun that night, jumping in and out, making the water go up and down, that they made more mess than ever before.
Well, Harry should have finished mending that string ray by now.
Yes.
Let's go and have a look. Come on.
Right you are.
Here we are then, Royce. Is it mended yet?
I think so, White.
Oh, good.
Why didn't you have the first go?
The first go? Oh, Harry.
Great, come on then.
Go on.
And now for the foot switch.
Whoa! String ray. Look at that way. Hey, this is good, Harry.
Oh, Harry, well done. It appears to be working perfectly, Harry.
I hope so.
Brilliant.
Poke your nose in here, stick your beak in there. If you're out and about, have a look at this, take a peek at that. When you're out and about, pop a question or two in the park or the zoo. Who, why, where, how, what does this do? Time and time again, you'll find the answer when you're with the Y-bird out and about.
That was great,
There
Arthur.
you are, Why? Come on, we've got to go.
Oh, but Royce, I haven't seen the PV pump yet.
The PV pump? We haven't got time for that. Look, you can come back another time, all right?
Oh.
Now, come on.
All right, then. Thanks, Arthur. Thanks very much indeed. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Come on, Why?
I'm coming, Royce. Ooh, what a great day. We've been on a technological quest at Techniquest.
Bye.
Bye.